Achoo! That's funny. Susie was making that exact same noise at playgroup. Achoo! Seems like you've got a case of the achoo! Sneezes. Oh dear. Achoo!
It seems like we've all got a case of the achoo! We better go home right away.
Now, we'll all need to stay at home until the sneezes stop.
That's right. We don't want to give them to anyone else.
Does that mean I can't go to playgroup?
I'm afraid so, Peppa. Not until you stop sneezing.
I've stopped. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Now, it's important to keep good hygiene. That means lots of hand washing with lots of soap. Achoo!
Okay, Daddy. Achoo! Daddy said to add lots of soap. Perfect!
How's the hand washing going in here? Oh, good grief. I think that's a bit too much soap, Peppa.
Sorry, Daddy. I like your beard.
Achoo!
We need to eat and drink lots of yummy, healthy foods when we're sick. Who wants one of Mummy's special hot ginger, honey and lemon teas? Me, me, me. Me, me, me.
Okay, well, I'll need your help to make it. Three healthy drinks for 3 sick piggies. Don't forget me. Achoo! Whoops, sorry.
Mummy, can I play with Rebecca Rabbit now? Not in person, I'm afraid, Peppa. You've still got the sneezes.
Although...
Peppa! Rebecca! I thought we could play some games together. Yay! How about hide and seek? Okay, you count to 10 and we'll hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? There you are, Peppa. There you are, George.
Okay, Peppa. Time to get a good night's sleep. It's important to get lots of rest when you've got the sneezes. Achoo!
Okay, Daddy. Bye, Rebecca. Bye, Peppa. Night-night, Daddy.
Night-night, Peppa. Achoo!
I'm not sneezing. I'm all better. Hooray! Mummy, Daddy, I've not got the sneezes anymore. I can go to playgroup. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
That's wonderful, Peppa. But today is Saturday.
Whoops!